In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to fix crashing, lagging, and other issues in Call of Duty Black Ops on PS5. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go ahead and open the settings cogwheel in the top right area and choose network. From here, go down to settings and press set up internet connection. Highlight your Wi-Fi network and press the options button. Change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 gigahertz only. You can also do 6 if you have it. But then go ahead and open the advanced settings and set DNS settings to manual like this and enter .1 for your primary DNS, and for your secondary, go ahead and set it to 1.0.1. Select OK and save the changes. But if the problems continue, you're going to want to back out into settings again and select users and accounts. Go down to the section that says other and go to restore licenses. Click on Black Ops 1 and then press restore to restore the license for it. If for whatever reason that also doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and press the power button from your PlayStation dashboard and press turn off PS5. After it's off, you can unplug the console for about 1 minute, reconnect it, and turn it back on. Finally, you can highlight Black Ops 1 on the home page, press the options button, and select check for update. Install any available update, and then launch the game again. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.